How to fix Roblox not authorized to join this server due to privacy settings. So if you want to fix Roblox not authorized to join the server due to privacy settings, then what you need to do is just watch this video. So this is a common error that can occur for a variety of reasons, but it's actually pretty easy to fix. So the first step is to check your privacy settings. The first thing you should do is check your privacy settings. So open up your Roblox, make sure that you're allowed to join a private server. To do this, you need to open up your Roblox website and then click on the gear icon, which will be in the top right, and then click on settings. Under settings, you need to go with the privacy section. Now under who can join my game session, you need to make sure that the setting is set to anyone. If it's set to friends only or private, then you'll need to change it to anyone in order to join private experiences. The second step is to check your experience's privacy settings. If you're still getting the error after checking your privacy settings, then it's possible that the experience itself is set to private. To check, you need to go with the experience page and look for the privacy setting. If it's set to private, then you'll need to contact the creator of the experience to ask them to change it to public. Or you can reinstall your Roblox. If you've tried the above steps and if you're still getting the error, then it's possible that there's a problem with your Roblox installation. So fix, you need to try reinstalling Roblox, and this will fix your issue. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.